This is crazy. We're doing 15 miles an hour. Look for yourself. This is, let's see right there. I'm in Indiana, 2 miles from the Illinois border, headed west. I-80-94. And definitely blizzard conditions. Truck in front of me, I just kind of hanging behind him here because can't see his tail light, so I'm just giving him a hand to keep behind him. Got our flashers going. Oh. I might have to, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Might have to go into another truck stop if that's even possible. Right? Truck stops are all jammed up. Trucks are stuck in the truck stops, getting towed out of them just so they can come out and deal with this crap. Okay, well, talk to you in a little while.